Honing is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of abrasive stones to create a precise and smooth finish on metal surfaces. This process is commonly used to improve the surface finish of cylindrical parts such as gears, bearings, and hydraulic cylinders. Honing can also be used to remove small amounts of material from a surface, which can be useful for correcting dimensional errors or improving the fit of mating parts. The honing process involves the use of a honing machine, which consists of a rotating spindle that holds the workpiece and a set of abrasive stones that are mounted on a reciprocating tool. The stones are fed into the workpiece under controlled pressure and speed, which creates a cross-hatch pattern on the surface of the metal. This pattern helps to retain lubricants and reduce friction, which can improve the performance and longevity of the part. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom hydraulic cylinders and other precision machined components. Honing is a critical part of their manufacturing process, as it allows them to achieve the precise tolerances and surface finishes required for their products. By using honing to create a smooth and precise finish on their hydraulic cylinders, Berkness Company is able to ensure that their products operate smoothly and reliably in a wide range of applications. If you are interested in learning more about honing and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on their website. Their team of experienced engineers and technicians can provide you with more information about their honing capabilities and how they can help you achieve your manufacturing goals. Whether you need custom hydraulic cylinders or other precision machined components, Berkness Company has the expertise and resources to deliver high-quality products that meet your exact specifications. FAQs. 1. What is honing in manufacturing? Honing is a machining process that involves the use of abrasive stones or tools to remove small amounts of material from the surface of a workpiece. The process is used to improve the surface finish, size, and shape of cylindrical parts such as engine cylinders, hydraulic cylinders, and gears. 2. What are the benefits of honing in manufacturing? Honing offers several benefits in manufacturing, including improved surface finish, increased accuracy and precision, and reduced friction and wear. It can also be used to remove burrs and other imperfections from the surface of a workpiece, which can improve the overall quality of the finished product. 3. What types of materials can be honed in manufacturing? Honing can be used on a wide range of materials, including metals such as steel, aluminum, and titanium, as well as ceramics and composites. The process is particularly useful for materials that are difficult to machine using traditional methods, such as hardened steel or materials with complex geometries. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.